Oppo is gearing up to unveil its next-generation flagships, the Find X9 and Find X9 Pro this October, and fresh leaks are giving us a clear look at what to expect, especially in the camera department. According to a new report from SmartPre, the Find X9 Pro will come with a major camera overhaul, replacing last year's setup with more powerful sensors. The main sensor will be Sony's newly launched LYT-828 50-megapixel camera. It's a 1x1.28-inch sensor with a 23mm focal length and an f1.8 aperture. For comparison, the Find X8 Pro used the Sony LYT-828, which was slightly larger at f1x1.4 inch and had a brighter f1.6 aperture. For wide-angle shots, the X9 Pro is expected to use a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 sensor with autofocus, a step up from the previous generation Samsung JN1 ultra-wide lens. One of the biggest changes comes in telephoto photography. Instead of the dual 50-megapixel zoom lenses on the Find X8 Pro, the X9 Pro will feature a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 periscope sensor with OIS and 3x optical zoom. With a 1x1.56-inch sensor size and a 70mm focal length, this could make the Find X9 Pro the world's first smartphone to debut this powerful sensor. The front camera also sees a serious upgrade. Oppo is expected to ditch the fixed-focus 32-megapixel Sony IMX615 in favor of a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 sensor with autofocus, promising sharper selfies and better video calls. With these upgrades, the Find X9 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most advanced camera flagships of 2025, possibly setting a new benchmark for periscope zoom technology. So, what do you think about this new camera upgrades? Drop your thoughts below.